Welcome to the Introduction to the Stock Market series. In this video series, we will explore the fundamentals of the share market, also known as the stock market. The share market is a dynamic and fascinating realm where individuals and institutions buy and sell ownership stakes in publicly traded companies. This course will provide you with a foundational understanding of how the stock market works, why it exists, and how you can potentially benefit from participating in it. Let's get started.
The share market, often referred to as the stock market, is a dynamic and intricate financial ecosystem that plays a pivotal role in the global economy. It serves as a platform where individuals, institutions, and companies buy and sell ownership stakes in publicly listed companies. This ownership is represented by shares or stocks, which grant investors a portion of ownership in the company and, in some cases, a share of its profits. At its core, the share market serves as a mechanism for companies to raise capital. When a company decides to go public, it issues shares to the public through an initial public offering, IPO. This allows the company to tap into a vast pool of potential investors and generate funds that can be used for expansion, research and development, debt repayment, or other business initiatives. In return for their investment, shareholders become partial owners of the company, with their ownership stakes proportionate to the number of shares they hold. The share market consists of two primary segments: the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is where companies issue new shares to the public for the first time through an IPO. Investors in the primary market are typically institutions, high net worth individuals, and retail investors looking to participate in the company's growth from its early stages. The secondary market, on the other hand, is where previously issued shares are bought and sold among investors without involving the company directly. This is where the daily trading activities take place, and it's where most people think of when they envision the stock market. One of the key purposes of the secondary market is to provide liquidity to investors. Liquidity refers to the ease with which an asset can be converted into cash without significantly affecting its price. In the share market, liquidity is facilitated by the presence of buyers and sellers who constantly interact to determine share prices based on supply and demand dynamics. Shares are essentially units of ownership in a company, and they come in various types. Common shares, also known as ordinary shares, grant shareholders voting rights and a share of the company's profits in the form of dividends. Preferred shares, on the other hand, usually don't offer voting rights but have a higher claim on the company's assets and dividends. The value of shares is determined by various factors, primarily the company's financial performance, market sentiment, industry trends, and broader economic indicators. Share prices can experience fluctuations based on both company-specific news, such as earnings reports, product launches, or leadership changes, and macroeconomic events, such as interest rate changes, geopolitical developments, or global economic trends. Investing in the share market can offer numerous opportunities and benefits. For individual investors, it provides a means to potentially grow wealth over time through capital appreciation and dividends. However, it's important to note that share market investments carry inherent risks as well. Share prices can be volatile, and there's no guarantee of positive returns. Therefore, it's essential for investors to conduct thorough research, diversify their portfolios, and be prepared for market fluctuations. The share market is not limited to individual investors. Institutional investors, such as pension funds, mutual funds, and hedge funds, also play a significant role. These entities manage large pools of money on behalf of their clients or beneficiaries, and they invest in shares to achieve capital growth and generate returns that meet their financial goals. Technology has transformed the way share markets operate. Electronic trading platforms have replaced traditional open outcry trading floors, enabling investors to execute trades quickly and efficiently from anywhere in the world. Online brokerage firms offer retail investors the ability to buy and sell shares with a few clicks, opening up investment opportunities that were once restricted to institutional players. The share market is interconnected with other financial markets, such as the debt market and the derivatives market. The debt market involves trading bonds and other debt instruments issued by governments, corporations, and other entities to raise capital. Bonds are essentially loans made by investors to the issuer, and they typically pay periodic interest until the maturity date when the principal is returned to the bondholder. The derivatives market deals in financial contracts derived from underlying assets like shares, bonds, commodities, or currencies. Derivatives include options and futures, which allow investors to speculate on price movements or hedge against potential losses. While the derivatives market can offer opportunities for profit, it also introduces complexities and risks that investors need to thoroughly understand. In conclusion, the share market is a multifaceted entity that fuels economic growth by connecting companies in need of capital with investors seeking potential returns. It's a space where ownership in companies is bought and sold, and where values are determined by a complex interplay of factors. While it presents opportunities for wealth creation, it's important to approach the share market with an informed and cautious perspective, understanding both its potential rewards and inherent risks. Whether you're an individual investor or a seasoned institution, the share market continues to shape the financial landscape and contribute significantly to the global economy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found the information valuable and you're interested in learning more about basics of share market, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos and insights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to become a part of our Money Mantra community. And remember, subscribing is absolutely free. So go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating quality content. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and your feedback helps us improve. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you as a subscriber.